In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can list your NFT for sale on the OpenSea platform. So if you're new to the channel, we have videos linked below where you'll be able to see how you can create an NFT on OpenSea. The first thing you're going to do is go to OpenSea.io, and then you'll need to connect your wallet in order for your account to be open on the OpenSea platform. So we come to the wallet option here, and then we are going to use MetaMask. If this is your first time looking at OpenSea as a platform that has potential for you to sell your NFTs on, then you might want to open a MetaMask account, and we have a video for that as well linked in the description that you can check out. I'm going to be showing you how to list a fresh one for your first time if you're a first time NFT seller. So the first thing you'll need to do is either come to this ellipsis symbol right here. You click on that, and there will be the list for sale option. That's one way you can do it. The second option is you just directly click on the NFT. So this is what it will look like when you come to the back end when you're ready to list your item for sale. There are two types of sale that you can do. First is fixed price, the second is timed auction. So for fixed price, it's basically you just set a one-time price and someone comes along and pays that and owns the NFT. For timed auction, it's a little different. There are two options under the timed auction. The NFT can be sold to the highest bidder, or you can set it up in a way that the price of the NFT keeps reducing with time, and then when someone purchases it at that particular price, they get to own the NFT. However, we're not going to go deep into the timed auction option. If you want us to do that, you can leave a comment in the description. We shall make a video talking about the timed auction option for type of sale. We're going to keep it at fixed price. We come down here, you can choose to either sell with Matic or ETH. We're going to sell with ETH, and then here we put 0.05, let's say. You can't sell an NFT for less than 0.0003 ETH. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that whatever price you put at this moment of making this video, you'll only be able to lower that price. You won't be able to increase it later on. So for us, as a rule of thumb, we would rather put this at like 0.1, so that later on, if you feel like, okay, you want your NFT to be more marketable, you want it to be more attractive, maybe you want to reduce that price, now you can come and lower the price of the NFT. Then you move down to the duration. Here you can choose for how long you want your NFT to be listed, right? You have a minimum of 1 day and a maximum of 6 months. And then here you can check out more options. You can set your NFT to be sold as a bundle, or you can reserve for a specific buyer, so this item can be purchased as soon as it's listed. And then down here you can see the fees. As soon as you make a sale, OpenSea will charge you 2.5% of the price that you sold it at. And then later on, if someone decides to resell your NFT, you get 10% as a creator fee. We come here to complete listing. You'll be required to pay a one-time gas fee to allow Seaport, which is a smart contract protocol that enables the buying and selling of NFTs on OpenSea, to access your NFT collection. Now, as you can see, we don't have enough money on our wallet to facilitate that transaction. So we shall need to transfer money or buy Matic on the platform. In our case, we decided we are going to transfer money from our Binance account in order to be able to facilitate this transaction, and we have a short video linked in the description showing you how we did that. What you'll need to do is go and click on the buy Matic option, and then you'll see options to buy Matic, but at the very bottom you'll see the option to deposit Matic from a separate account, a separate wallet, to the MetaMask wallet. And once you click on that, an address will appear which you copy and paste in the platform you want to transfer money from, and you just go through that process. Just click on that video below, we show you how to do it. After you've deposited enough crypto to cover that transaction cost, go ahead and click confirm to approve the collection. You will then be asked to review and confirm the listing on your wallet by signing the signature request. And that's it. You have your NFT listed, and now you can see it with the price tag shown as well. Remember to click the subscribe button to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time.